Hi guys, and thank you for watching this episode of Cooking with Benoit. Today I will prepare a large dish for up to 9 guests. Actually I will make 3 of them, but you get the point. I'll make delicious lip-licking lasagna French style. Les lasagnes à la française. Ouais mon gars, exactement. What you will need to make lasagna à la française for 8 to 9 guests is a 9 by 13-inch baking dish and 6 lasagna noodles. 1 washed and diced zucchini. French word of the day. The French word of the day is courgette for zucchini. Courgette. I'm not lying. 1 washed and diced eggplant. 2 chopped garlic cloves. 13 ounces of crushed tomatoes. 13 ounces of sour cream. 5 ounces of shredded cheddar. 8 ounces of sausage meat. Preheat oven to 375 Fahrenheit or 200 Celsius. Wash and dice eggplant and zucchini and chop garlic. Add sausage meat, tomato sauce, diced eggplant, zucchini and garlic to a mixing bowl. Season to taste with salt and pepper and mix well. Lay a thin layer of mixture on the bottom of the baking dish. Then add 3 lasagna noodles on top of it. Evenly lay a layer of mixture on top of the noodles, then another layer of sour cream. Repeat the procedure a second time, then evenly cover the top with a last layer of shredded cheddar cheese. Bake for 40 to 45 minutes. I hope you enjoy watching this video, so please give a thumb up to show your support! Yeah! You may also want to comment and let me know what you think about this recipe. Maybe you would have done it differently. I'm sure you wouldn't have. This recipe is perfect. Subscribe to the Cooking with Benoit channel to be notified about all the new videos we publish. It helps us a lot. Thank you very much for that. In the meantime, merci, au revoir et à bientôt!